Hey guys, so I thought I should show you guys this cute little ring light. This is one of the things that I'm using now when I'm doing my YouTube shorts. I'm getting into that now. Or if I'm doing any little videos for my Instagram stories or anything like that. This is a very cute ring light, and this can be as short or as tall as you want. And you just have to pull this down like this. You just put it on the ground and just step on it for like a couple of seconds just to hold it, and you can pull this up as tall as you want, and you can stick your phone in here and you can pivot this however you want. It's very sturdy, really nice. Let me just put this on for you guys so you can see what it looks like. So there it is on, and this is the yellow light, and you can even make this white if you want. You can change that to white, and you can turn it up, you can turn it down. It's so convenient, especially if you're doing let's say an overhead shot or something like that. This is really good for that, and I really like it, and it's very lightweight, very sturdy as well. And I got this from QVC UK. So if you're living in England, you can try the QVC. But I think this was pretty much sold out, but you can try, or you can just see if you can get this from Amazon. And of course, this can go up, it can come down. It is so convenient, and I absolutely love it. So this little video will be up on YouTube Shorts, and so it's really good for that. So you can get your little videos done, get some backlighting, or if you're looking for some extra lighting for your beauty room, this can be a great option as well. But I really do like it. Again, you can check Amazon, or you can, just to get something similar, or you can check qvc.uk, and maybe you can try to find one of these little fancy gadgets. And I hope you guys enjoy, and I shall chat with you guys soon. Bye.